Problem 5, a is negative 4. So evaluate, I got some absolute value sign here. So negative 3 times the absolute value of 2 times a, which is negative 4, take away 1, minus the absolute value of a, which is negative 4. Now remember, absolute value simply means make it positive. We have this absolute value right here. We can't take the absolute value of it until we have a single number in there. So right now it's negative 3 times whatever we get in here. Well, let's go ahead and get it all together at once. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8, and then negative 8 minus 1 would be the absolute value of negative 9. Minus, we'll go ahead and do this absolute value. What is the absolute value of negative 4? Simply 4. Now, I need to take the absolute value of negative 9. So this is negative 3 times the absolute value of negative 9, positive 9, minus 4. Negative 3 times negative 9, negative 27, minus 4 will give you negative 31. It's a terrible 3, but that's a 31 there. Number 6, evaluate this when n is what? Negative 1. So I just plug negative 1 in here and into the bottom end. So negative 1 squared. Now you have to remember, especially if you're using a calculator, though you shouldn't have to on this, when you square a number, you need to put it in parentheses or you're going to get a wrong answer. So this says do everything up top. Negative 1 squared means negative 1 times negative 1. That's positive 1 plus 4. Negative in the bottom here, the denominator, negative 1 plus 2. Well, that's just positive 1. So 1 plus 4 is 5. Divided by 1 gives us an answer here of just 5. Number 7. A is negative 2, B is negative 4, C is 2. Evaluate 4 times A. Okay, no big deal. We just plug in there. 4 times A. A is negative 2 plus 2 times A times B. Negative 2 times negative 4. Take away C, which is 2. All right, I'm going to do the parentheses first. 4 times negative 2 plus 2 times parentheses. Negative 2 times negative 4 is 8. And we'll go ahead. What's 8 minus 2? 8 minus 2 is 6. We have 6 in here. So we have a multiplication here and technically 2 times a 6 here. We could drop those parentheses. Is fine. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8 plus the 2 times the 6 here. So I'm going to go ahead and do 2 times 6 now. So negative 8 plus 2 times 6 is 12. And then negative 8 plus 12 is positive 4.